everyone, in this quick video tutorial, I'll show you how to start and set up a new Facebook business page. Alright, so if you want to make a new Facebook page, all you have to do is open Facebook and look for the pages button on the left. If you don't see it there, click on see more and you might find it there. So click on this. Click this create new page button to make a new Facebook page. So the new Facebook page will be easy to set up. As you can see, we only need to add 2 pieces of information to set up the new Facebook page. First, we have to put in the name of the Facebook page, which is a required field as you can see. We just put it in the name like Sweet Bakery Shop as an example. So the category is also a required field, but both the page name and the category can be changed later, so just choose something that fits your Facebook page. So when you start typing, Facebook will auto recommend some Facebook page categories. For example, bakery. And the bio is also optional, so it's up to you if you want to have a bio or not. So if you're done with this, click on create page. So this is some information that you need to put there, but you don't have to do this right away. You can do it later on. And as we can see, this page was created. Now we can add images or go to our page and add more details. So what we can do right now is to add a profile picture and a cover photo, but you don't have to do this right away. You can click on save and now you can start setting up your Facebook page. And now it's created, you can add also a username. You can, as I said, upload the profile picture and the cover photo, add a button, invite your friends to like your Facebook page and start posting. And yeah, that's how easy to create a Facebook business page. See you next time.